What is happening, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Thank you for tuning in. So I know in a lot of videos it seems like all I wear is streetwear brands like Palace or Adidas, but that could not be further from the truth. I also have a corporate job outside of my internet world, and that involves having to dress nice. And so I had to go and buy a couple of new suits and some new ties, and I also got some new shoes. And so I want to show the shoes today because the shoes are actually super awesome. I'm from this store right near our work called MJ Bale. They have a bunch of cool suits. They're a pretty well-known brand in Australia. I'm not sure if they're international, but yeah, normally their stuff's pretty good, and these shoes should be no exception. These shoes are from a brand called Joseph Cheney and Sons. I personally had never heard of them before I saw them in the store, but they look pretty cool, and so I'm excited. I've never had shoes of this type. I'm not entirely sure what the type is called. You guys will probably figure it out once you see them, but they've got little holes in them, so they're not like solid like some work shoes. But yeah, I'll show you guys. So little plastic on top, then inside you got two bags with their logo on them again. Each one contains a shoe, pretty self-explanatory there. Okay, let's cut that out. So it comes with a bit of literature, one called Shoe Care Accessories and Refurbishment Service, and another one which is just a whole bunch of pictures of people selling shoes. These shoes are all handcrafted in their Desborough factory in England, which is actually pretty cool. Not many things I wear are made in England. And each shoe apparently takes 8 weeks to make and has 160 processes involved, so they better be nice. So I'll give you guys a close-up of the shoes. Well, looks like our little friend is trying to join us. Puss! So apparently this sort of shoe is called Brogue, or that style with the holes in them anyway. I've never had shoes like them, but they honestly look super cool. Inside the shoes they've also got the name of the brand, and on the bottom, same thing.